I'm going to just simplify this code of mine. So I'm going to comment this out. Remember, we had learned earlier in commenting, when we put a hash, a code becomes a comment. So that means this part is not going to take any action. Now here, the system is being assigned the content. You are a helpful assistant. Now, the role as a user, I'm going to remove the part of assistant. Directly the assistant will reply to me. The user is going to give the content. Instead of saying where was it played, I will ask a different question. Where was the 2011 Cricket World Cup played and who won it? Okay, now let's try running this. Let's see what happens. The 2011 Cricket World Cup was played in 3 countries, India, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. India beat Sri Lanka in the finals to win the World Cup. So this is now we have created our own additional system. So this is how basically you can play around. You can keep asking different questions here. Right now we are asking it programmatically. Later on we'll learn to build our own UI. So when you work with ChatGPT, there is a GUI for it. We will learn each of these concepts one by one as we proceed with it. But if you notice one thing here, it tells you when the data is being passed by the API, it also tells us the model object that is being used, which is chat completion object, which is the same system by this model, which is used in similar to the ChatGPT one. And it also talks about usage. So now what is this usage in this thing? We will learn that in the next video. But before that, let me have a little bit more fun. Now this is the question we asked only about sports. So let me ask something very, very different. Okay, something where there is more creativity. Okay, let me ask a question. Write a tagline to for a cricket bat selling company. Write a promotional tagline for a cricket bat selling company. Let's have some fun. Let me see what it comes up with. Oh, sorry, there seems to be some error. Yeah, I have missed an open inverted comma. The double inverted comma. So it is not taking as a string. So all the input, if you notice, by the way, very important factor, it's good I got this error. All the input that we are putting for our, for this code is all being passed as a string. Now let me run this. Let us see what happens. It will take a little bit of a time because now we have a slightly complex question. Hopefully we should get something interesting. Unleash your inner champion with our unbeatable cricket bat. Okay, so here you can just be creative with whatever question you want to put in here. It will give you this answer. So in the next video, we'll learn a little bit about these tokens.